In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use formulas in Smartsheet to automatically calculate totals, averages, counts, and other values without doing the math manually. First, open the Smartsheet where you want to use formulas. Next, click on the cell where you want the calculated result to appear. To create a formula, type an equals sign equals slash. This tells Smartsheet that you're entering a formula instead of regular text. For example, to add values together, enter the sum formula and select the range of cells you want to total. After entering the formula, press enter and Smartsheet will instantly calculate the result. If you want to find the average of a group of numbers, use the AVG formula and select the appropriate range. Smartsheet will calculate the average value automatically. To count the number of entries in a range, use the count formula and select the cells you want to count. This is useful for tracking tasks, records, or completed items. You can also combine formulas with different columns to create more advanced calculations based on your project data. Whenever the data in your sheet changes, the formula results update automatically, helping you keep your information accurate and up to date. If you use the same formula repeatedly in a column, you can convert it into a column formula so it automatically applies to new rows added in the future. Using formulas in Smartsheet helps reduce manual work, improve accuracy, and make your sheets more powerful and efficient. That's it. You've successfully learned how to use formulas in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching.